Right, students, today we'll discuss last question of 2017 Western paper, Western province paper, question number 7. This question number 7, problem number 3. Okay, we will discuss last question of 2017 Western province paper. It means second paper, question number 7, Roman number 3. Okay, last question of the Western province paper. Right, quickly we discuss. I inform you to complete this question. Please check your answer. Please check your answer. Gihindu, this question is balanced or not? Gihindu. Gihindu? Is it balanced, Gihindu? Not balanced. Right, what about Nadilya? Nadilya, Paitran, is it balanced? Paitran. Pranita, Tarun, Venuja, Yasilu? Other students busy. Not balanced. Right. Nadilya, what about you, Nadilya?
Not balanced.
Not balanced. Right. What about Venuja? Yasilu, balanced or not? Right. Right. Now I quickly discuss. Right. Look at this question. The trial balance prepared of Ruhi's business as of 31st December 2016 is as follows. Okay, Ruhi's business. This is a trial balance of Ruhi's business. Trial balance. Okay, trial balance. And then here you can see additional information of Ruhi's business. What are the additional information? Stock as of 31st December 16, 25,000. Closing stock. Building and equipment to be depreciated at 10% on straight line basis. Third, the write-off 5,000 as bad debts. Fourth one, price to be paid 500. Price to be paid 500. Right. Quickly discuss. Right, Lamai. Please check your answer. Please check your answer. Right. Question number 7. Roman number 3. Right. Here, profit and loss statement. You need to write the heading. The heading is Rohi's business. Rama, you need to write the heading. Okay. Right. Here you will write down Rohi's business. Rohi's business, and then statement of profit and loss. Statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st December 2016. For the year ended 16. You need to write the heading properly. Okay, next, right. And then students, a statement of financial position. Okay, statement of financial position. In the statement of financial position also, you need to write the heading Ruhi's business, and then a statement of financial position as at 31st December 2016. Likewise, you need to write the heading properly. Okay, you need to write the heading properly. Right now, heading, and then students, profit and loss statement structure. Look at the profit and loss statement structure. Here, sales, and then minus cost of sales, opening stock, plus purchases minus closing stock. Okay, you need to keep space here to write down loading, unloading charges and carriage inward expenses. Okay, to write down loading, unloading expenses and carriage inward expenses, you need to write down. You need to okay, you need to allocate space here, and then over here gross profit, and then here other income. And then you can write down expenses. What are the expenses of the business? Expenses. We can categorize expenses like this: distribution expenses, administration expenses, and then over here financial expenses. Okay, but sometimes examiner may test other expenses as well. Distribution expenses, administration expense, other expense, and finance expense. Okay, but normally in the oral exam, examiner will not be tested. Will not be tested. Okay, examiner will not test other expenses. Okay, other expenses. Normally, we write only distribution, admin, and financial as expenses. Okay, right. And then over here, cost, and then over here accumulated depreciation and carrying value. Cost accumulated. Okay, right. And then here non-current assets, and then here current assets. And then over here equity and liability, and then here non-current liability, and then here current liability. Can you see the board? Can you see the board? Board is clear or not?
Clear.
Clear? Okay, right. What about others? Just the board is clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Clear, right. Right. Now here, at first you need to record additional information. Here, additional information, closing stock 25,000. Closing stock. How to record closing stock? Closing stock you need to deduct from cost of sales. Right? For the balances available in trial balance, the business has passed double entry. No need to pass double entries for the trial balance details again. But for all the additional information, you need to pass double entries. Here, closing stock of the business organization, how much? Closing stock 25,000. For the closing stock, you need to pass double entry. For the closing stock. But that closing stock double entry is not tested in the O-level examination. Therefore, no need to worry about that. Okay, closing stock, what you want to do is, you need to deduct closing stock from the cost of sales. Okay, from the cost of sales, you will deduct cost of sale, closing stock 25,000, and then transfer this closing stock to current assets. Stock or inventory. Okay, 25,000. Transfer this stock to current assets. Okay, to calculate the correct cost of sales, you need to deduct closing stock when you're calculating cost of sales, and then closing stock we can sell in the next financial year. We can convert it to cash, this 25,000 in the next financial year. Therefore, that closing stock asset, we transfer to statement of financial portion. Okay, right. Now, second adjustment. Look at the second one. Building and equipment to be depreciated 10% on straight line method. Now, what are the fixed assets of the business organization? Fixed assets, building, equipment. Yes, now right, that business has building and equipment. Building 400,000 building. Here, building 400,000. Cost of the building 400,000. Right? Cost of the building 400,000. Equipment 150,000. Equipment 150,000. Okay, the cost of the building 400,000. Value of the equipment 150,000. And then here, building and equipment to be depreciated 10% on SRA method. 10%. Depreciation rate 10%. Then my building 400,000 into 10%. How much? 40,000. Building depreciation 40,000. Now here, under appreciation expense unit write down. Building depreciation 40,000. Under administration expense. And then students, this 40,000 you need to add to opening accumulated depreciation. In this question, you can see provision for depreciation building 80,000. What is that 80,000? What is that 80,000? That 80,000 is the opening accumulated depreciation. Okay, opening accumulated depreciation of building 80,000. And then opening accumulated depreciation of equipment 30,000. 30,000. Then this 40,000 current year depreciation you need to add to that 8,000. Okay, building opening accumulated depreciation 80,000. 80,000 plus 40,000. Total amount how much? 120,000. Now here you can record on the accumulated depreciation 120,000. 120,000. Then students, cost minus accumulated depreciation. Then you can calculate what? You can calculate carrying value. Carrying value of the building. Okay, we'll calculate later. And then my equipment depreciation rate 10%. Equipment 150,000 into 10%. How much? 15,000. 15,000. Bill equipment depreciation. Equipment depreciation 15,000. Equipment depreciation 15,000. The current year depreciation equipment 15,000. 15,000 plus opening accumulated depreciation. Opening how much? Opening amount 30,000. 30,000. 30,000 plus 15,000. How much? 45,000. 45,000. Accumulated depreciation equipment 45,000. Accumulated depreciation equipment how much? 45,000. 45,000. Right. Next one. Third one. Right of 5,000 as bad debts. You need to remove 5,000 as bad debts. What is the double entry of bad debts? What's the double entry of bad debts? And here in this business organization, debtor balance how much? Debtor balance is 55,000 debtors balance. Okay, debtor balance opening balance 55,000. So let's opening debtor balance 55,000. But out of this 55,000, 5,000 is unable to recover. 5,000 bad debts. There was a double entry of that 5,000. Debtors account credit 5,000. Debtors account credit 5,000. Bad debts account debit 5,000. Bad debts account debit 5,000. That's a double entry. Debtors account credit. Bad debts account debit 5,000. Okay, right. There is students. This bad debts is an expense of the business. This bad debts is an expense of the business. Then this 5,000 should be transferred where? Should be transferred to distribution expense. Now, why we transfer to distribution expense? Either distribution expense we record selling and distribution expenses. Selling and distribution expenses. Okay, because of credit sales, these bad debts incurred in the business because of credit sales. Now, I may bad debts 5,000 incurred credit sales in that. Credit sales because of credit sales. Then this 5,000 should be transferred where? Should be transferred to distribution expenses. Under distribution, we record selling and distribution expenses. Selling and distribution expenses. Then students, 5,000 record under distribution expenses, bad debts. Bad debts 5,000. Okay, then? Under distribution expense, bad debts 5,000. Bad debts 5,000. And then students, right now, closing debtor balance how much? 55,000 minus 5,000 how much? 50,000. 50,000. Then that 50,000 you need to record under current assets. Under current assets. Here, record under current assets, debtors 50,000. Debtors 50,000. Debtors 50,000. Debtors 50,000. Right. Okay, right. Next one, rates to be paid 500. Rates to be paid. Another 500 you need to pay to settle rates. How much the opening paid amount? Now, look at the trial balance. In the trial balance, you can see paid amount up to now. Rates. Up to now, we have paid 2,500 in cash. Up to now, we have paid 2,500 in cash. We can see that 2,500 in the trial balance. In the trial balance. Or in the trial balance, you can see yes, rates 2,500. This 2,500 is a paid amount in cash. But question says that another 500 payable. Another 500 payable. So thus we prepare profit and loss statement based on what? Based on accrual concept. Based on accrual concept. According to accrual concept, according to accrual concept, relevant income and relevant expense for the period should be recorded. Here, rates for the period we have paid only 2,500, but another 500 payable. Then what's the double of that 500? Rates account debit 500, rates expense account debit 500, and then accrued rates account. Accrued rates account credit. Rates expense account debit 500, accrued rates account debit 500. Then total rates how much? 3,000. Total rates 3,000. Then total rates 3,000 rates unit record under administration expense. Record under administration expense rates 3,000. And then students, this 500 payable, we have recorded 500 under current liability, accrued rate 500. Right, right. In this question, we have done all the additional information. Right now, you can look at the trial balance. Look at the trial balance. Capital 400,000. Capital. Capital 400,000. Non-current assets. Capital. Purchases 175,000. Purchases. We can record under profit and loss statement. Purchases how much? Purchases 175,000. Purchases. Right. Purchases. Sales 280,000. Sales. Sales of the period 280,000. Sales. How much sales? Transfer to profit and loss statement sales. Sales 280,000 sales. And the next one, opening stock 5,000. Opening stock 5,000. Am I? Profit and loss statement opening stock. In this financial year, we can sell opening stock. Therefore, when you calculate cost of sales, you need to add opening stock. Carriage inward 4,000. Carriage inward, how to adjust? Purchases plus carriage inward. Now here, under the purchases, write down carriage inward. Carriage inward 4,000. Carriage inward 4,000. Next one, debtors done. Creditors 70,000. Creditors under current liability. Creditors. Creditors 70,000 under current liability. Creditors. 10% bank loan 50,000. Bank loan we categorize under non-current liability bank loan. Bank loan 50,000. And now students, we prepare profit and loss statement based on accrual concept. Here, bank loan total amount 50,000, but 10% bank loan. 10% means 5,000 bank loan interest. Whether the business has paid or not, relevant bank loan interest should be recorded in profit or loss. Then students, here 10% bank loan, then this 5,000 record under finance expense. Bank loan interest. Bank loan interest how much? 50,000 into 10%. How much? 5,000. Bank loan interest 5,000. Okay, bank loan interest 5,000. Record under Financial expenses. And then I look at the bank loan is paid amount. Do we have paid amount? Yes, we have 3,000 as paid. Total bank loan interest 5,000, but out of 5,000, we have paid how much? 3,000. Then another 2,000 payable. Another 2,000 payable. That 2,000 accrued bank loan interest 2,000. Accrued bank loan interest 2,000. Now here under current liability, accrued bank loan interest. Accrued bank loan interest how much? Accrued bank loan interest 2,000. Okay, accrued bank loan interest 2,000. Right. 10% bank loan okay. Building okay. Equipment okay. And then a discount allowed 3,500. Discount allowed. Distribution expenses. Discount allowed 2,500. Distribution expenses. Discount allowed. Sorry, 3,500. Eh? Discount allowed. Discount received 8,000. Other income. Discount received. Discount received 8,000. Other income. And bank loan interest done. Insurance 7,500. Administration expense. Insurance. Insurance 7,500. Insurance. Administrative salary is 12,000 on administrations. We record it as salary. Salary 12,000. Salary. Advertising 12,500. Advertising we record on a distribution expense. Selling and distribution expenses. Selling and distribution advertising. Advertising 12,500. Advertising. Now rates done. Rates done. Cash at bank, cash in hand. Cash at bank, cash in hand. Now bank balance. We record it as bank balance. A bank balance 20,000. Bank balance 20,000 and then cash in hand, cash balance 15,000. Cash balance. Okay, bank balance 20,000, cash balance 15,000. And then my provision for depreciation done. Yes, side finished. Right, Lamai? Check the question again. Try to balance the question. Right, Lamai say balance. Balance or not? Stock to be sold 184,000. Eh? Stock to be sold 184,000. Now that 180,000 is a stock to be sold. Stock to be sold 184,000. And then 184,000 minus 25,000. Cost of sales 159,000. Cost of sales. Cost of sales 159,000. Cost of sales. Okay, and then my sales minus cost of sales, you can calculate gross profit. How much gross profit? 121,000 gross profit. 121,000 gross profit. And then my other income plus 8,000 plus. The total amount how much? 129,000. Right now, you only deduct other expenses. Distribution expenses how much? Distribution. 21,000. 21,000. Yes, 21,000. And then my administrative expenses how much? Administrative expenses. Administration expense how much? Administration expense. $77,500, eh? 77,500 administration expense. Otherwise, financial expenses 5,000. Okay, then right. Lamai, total expenses how much? Total expenses. Total expenses how much? Total expenses. $148,500. Is it correct? My total expenses 148,500. Is it correct? Correct or wrong? Is it correct, Lamai? Is it correct? Lamai, there's a loss near in this business. There's a loss. Lamai, is it correct? The loss is correct or wrong? Oh, sorry. It is my total expenses 103,500. Total expenses.
Yes, sir.
I have recorded 5,000 as 50,000. I have considered 5,000 as 50,000. Right, right, okay. Total expenses 103,500. Then now I profit how much? Profit of the period how much am I? Net profit how much? Net profit? $25,500. Is it correct?
Yes,
Am I net
sir.
profit correct? Huh? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Right. Right. Other than here, you will write down not net profit. You will write down here for this 25,500. You will write down net profit transfer to capital account. Now I record here net profit transfer to capital account. Now you write down net profit transfer to capital account. Net profit transfer to capital account. Okay. For that 25,500 write down. Don't write only net profit. Okay. Right. Now I write down now net profit transfer to capital account. That 25,500 transfer to capital account. Right. Now I then and then this 25,500 should be transferred to capital. My capital here net profit. How is net profit? 25,500. Net profit 25,500. Right. Well, am I right? Now you can balance the question. Now my question is balance or not? Balance it. Is it balance? Right, now my question is balance or not? Balance. Hindu, Nadilya, Python balance. Right, question is balance, right? Question is balance. Right, now do you have any doubt regarding this question? Is there any doubt? Nadilya, shall I start? Nadilya?
Okay, sir.
Python, shall I start? Python.
Okay, sir.
Pranitya, Tarun, Venuja, will you start? Huh?
Okay.
Okay, right. 1 to 10, nah? Right, now I look at the question 1 to 10. 2018 rehearsal paper. This paper is available in your papers book. Okay, if you don't have the papers book, you need to get the printout of this paper. We'll start. Look at the question. Dila Travels is a well-reputed private company that supply transport services. Sanuki, who worked at Dila Travels, was resigned and started their own company and named it as Sanu Travels. Sanu Travels. Okay, right. And then she said that there's a new high demand for buses during first term of the year as most of the school organizes their educational trips during these months, as well as new highway road was also opened recently. Right, Sanu started the traveling business, Sanu Travels. Sanu Travels. Okay, right. Question number 1. Well, question 1. According to the above scenario, select the answer which include a need and want that's supplied by Sanu Towers respectively. Right now, what's up? I need quick answers. Don't waste my time. Quickly send me answers to the host. Okay, now I don't waste my time. Quickly, okay, you can send answers to the host. Okay, don't send answers to the WhatsApp. Send the answers to host. Host in Zoom, huh? Now Zoom ki host one. Host one natagala answers one. Right. What's the answer for the question number 1? What's the answer? Yes, Tarun correct. Venuja correct. Hindu? Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Yasidu correct. Right. Answer is first one. Transportation and travel. I need answers from everyone. Huh? Yes, Nadilya. No, Pavitra. Here, traveling, transportation. They provide transportation. Okay, transportation and travel. Right. Third one is answer. Third one. Look at the second one. Two parties interested on Sanu Travels, which indicated above scenario. Two parties. What's the answer for the question number 2? Yes, Ranita correct. Yes, Tarun correct. Yes, 5 turn. Yasidu correct. Yes, now answer for the second one. Third one. Dila travel companion students. Okay, in this question, you will get direct answers from the case. From the case. Okay, you will get direct answers from the case. Clear now? Okay, right. Right, next one. Question number 4. Question number 3. Look at the question number 3. Select the answer which include strength and opportunity of Sanu travels respectively. Question number 3, what's the answer? Strength and opportunity. What's the answer? Question number 3. Yes, Geedu Badilla correct. Geedu correct. Yasidu correct. Yes. Right, Lamai, what's the answer? For the third one. Yes, first one is answer. Sanuki has worked in Dila Travels is a strength and construction of highways opportunity. Yes, Python correct. Right. First one is answer. Answer is the first one. Okay, now I answer is the first one. First one is answer. Right. Look at the third. Look at the question number 4. Right. Question number 4. The factors of production which is more suitable to categorize vehicles owned by Sanu Travels. Lamai, vehicles owned by vehicles. What's the answer for the question number 4? Answer for the 4. Yes. Lamai, second one is answer. Capital. Vehicles we can categorize as capital. Pranita correct. Neil correct. Yes. Answer is correct. Okay, right. Lamai, look at the question number 5. Select the answer which include only profit-oriented organizations among following organizations. What's the answer for the question number 5? Yes, Tarun correct. Tarun, yes, Tarun. Indu correct. Yes, Indu, yes, answer is correct. Yes, Indu. Nadilya, yes, answer is correct. Lamai, only the profit-oriented organization, companies, sole proprietorship and partnership. A, C, D. Yes, third one is answer. Answer is third one. Okay, Lamai, third one is answer. Third one. Okay, right. Now, question number 6. Look at the answer. Get the answer for the question number 6. The act which specify the maximum number of members in a partnership is. Now, what's the answer? Question number 6. Yes, Tarun correct. Yashinu correct. Yes, first answer. Maximum partners in a partnership decided by what? Companies Act number 7 of 2007. Company Act. Now Company Act. Okay. Second one is not the partnership ordinance. Now in the partnership ordinance, there is no clause regarding maximum number of partners. No word regarding maximum amount of partners. Therefore, in Sri Lanka, Companies Act number 7 of 2007 limit maximum partners in the partnership business up to 20. Okay, question number 6, second one is answer. Yes, Python correct. Now, question number 7. Nuan Vimalasari was advised to register the name of his business, Vimal Stores. The reason for this is because. What is the answer for the 7th one? Yes, Gihindu correct, Nadila correct. Nuan Vimalasari registered business as Vimal Stores. Okay. Therefore, then what's the answer? The reason for this because is what? Yes, Python correct. My third one is answer. It operates with another name other than its full name. Other than its full name. Owner use another name for the business activities without using his full name. Therefore, that name should be registered in the Division Secretary Office under Business Name Ordinance, Sum 698. Okay, okay, right. In the business name register in the Provincial Council has transferred its power to Division Secretary Office. Okay, right. Now, my question number 8. Look at question number 8. Following are some benefits which can be taken from an account operated by commercial bank. Receive security for money. Receive an interest income. Can process payment through debit card. The type of account which shows about characteristics is what's the answer? Receive security, receiving interest income, can process payment through debit card. What's the answer? Yes, Gehdu correct. Harun correct. Yasun correct. What's the answer? Now, these characteristics available in what? Available in savings account. Savings account. Third one is answer. Savings account. Huh? Savings account. Right. Now look at the question number 9. Now look at the question number 9. Asanga has a current account in Bank of Ceylon, Ruanala branch. He has purchased a machine from Sivanathan, who has a current account in Ceylon Bank, Avsala branch, and a payment for this transaction was done through a check. According to the above scenario, select the answer which includes check drawer, drovey, and bearer respectively. Bearer means payee. Who is the check drawer? Who is the drovey? Who is the bearer? Bearer or payee. Yeah. What's the answer for the question number 9? Who is the drawer? What's the answer? Lamai drawer. Who is the drawer? Drawer Asanga. Drawer Asanga. Drovey. Yes, Amai. Bank of Ceylon, Drovey. Bearer. Who is the bearer? Amai. Shivanathan is the bearer. Then what's the answer? Answer for the question 9, Lamai. What's the answer? Question number? Question 9, what's the answer? First one. Yes, Tarun answer is correct. First one is answer. First one. Asanga Drover, Drovey Bank of Ceylon, and then Lamai. Payee or bearer Shivanathan. Right, can you give me the answer for the question 10? Select the most appropriate statement regarding life insurance. Lamai, what's the answer for this question? 10th question. Lamai, the second one here, it should be insured, not insuree. ED, insured. He also say, insured life, insured, ED. What's the answer for the question number 10, Lamai? Answer for the question number 10. Yes, Yasinu correct. Gelu correct. Tarun correct. No, Ranigo. What's the answer? Lamai, most appropriate is regarding life insurance. The value of life insurance policy decided by the insured. Yes. Lamai. In property insurance company decide value of insurance in property insurance, but in life insurance, we decide value of the insurance. We decide. Okay, if you want to get the get an insurance life insurance coverage, you decide insurance fee. You decide the total value of insurance of your life. Okay. Delamai. Second one is answer. The value of life insurance policy is decided by the insured. Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, right. But Lamai question number 11 to 20. 11, Lamai, no corrections in 11 to 20. Lamai, I will give you another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes. What's the answer to the question for 9? For the 9th answer is first one answer. Okay, then. For the 9th and first one is answer. Okay, right. Right, Lamai, please complete question number 11 to 20. I will give you another 10 minutes. Right, Lamai, question number 11 to 20. Give me quick answers, huh? 11 to 20. Right, Lamai, question number 11. Following us some communication methods. Skype, electronic mail, circulars, digital boards. The methods which belongs to electronic, verbal and written media. What's the answer for the question number 11? Lamai, what's the answer for the question number 11? Lamai, question number 11, what's the answer? 11. Give me quick answers. The method which belongs to electronic, verbal or written. One of you. Lamai, what's the answer? Yes, I got answers. Second answer. Tarun. Right, okay, right, Lamai. Python. Right. Here, electronic, verbal or written. Lamai. Last one, digital board, electronic. But not verbal, especially electronic and written. Circulars, written method. Electronic mail, electronic and written. Electronic mail, electronic and written, not verbal. We do not transfer verbal messages to electronic mail. My verbal messages only electronic and written. But Skype, electronic, yes. Verbal, yes. We exchange verbal communication as well as written communication. Now Skype is answer. Only A only. Okay. Sometimes in the exam test, WhatsApp Viber, maybe. Okay, WhatsApp Viber, WhatsApp, electronic, verbal and written. WhatsApp. Viber also same. Okay. So for the question number 11, answer is first one. First one is answer. A only. Okay, right. Lamai, look at the question number 12. Following are some advantages and disadvantages relates to one of the mode of transport. Okay, ability to carry large volume of passengers and goods at once. No roads road traffics relatively consume less time, unable to reach the destination. Then what's the answer? The most suitable mode of transportation belongs to the above feature is. Now what's the answer? Answer for the question of 12. The most suitable transportation belongs to the above feature. What's the answer? Yes, Kihindu correct. Tarun correct. I will do correct. Large volume of passengers and goods at once. No road traffics. Consume less time. Unable to reach the destination. What's the answer? Yes, some railway transportation. Railway. Answer is fourth term. Answer is fourth term. Okay. Answer is fourth term. The best answer is fourth term. Railway station. We can't get a water transportation system. The best answer is a railway transportation. Okay. Right. Lamai question 30 what's the answer? The trading occurs between two or more countries is known as right trade, and selling rubber products to foreign countries by Sri Lanka is known as right. What is the answer for the question number 30? 30 Lamai, what's the answer? 30. Gihindu correct, Nadilya, yes, correct, Nadilya, Yasindu correct. Yasindu correct. Right, what's the answer? Pavitran Venuja, what's the answer? Venuja. Trading occurs between two or more countries is known as foreign trade or international trade.
The first one is foreign, second one is second one is export, so third one.
Yes, third one is answer. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Third one is answer. Foreign and export trade. Foreign and export. Foreign or international, international trade and export trade. Third one is answer. Right. Now I question number 14 and 50. Right, 14 and 15. A business produce yogurt as its product. After investigating some reasons for decline in demand of the product, the business may arrange to introduce a yogurt with a new packing. The business may arrange to introduce a yogurt with a new packing. 14. What is a management function which deals with identifying possible reasons for the decline in demand for the yogurt and taking remedial actions? Identifying possible reasons for the decline in demand for the yogurt and taking remedial actions belongs to which function? Planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. What's the answer, Naman? What's the answer for the question 14? Nadilya correct. Yes, Yasindu correct. Identifying possible reasons and for the decline in demand and taking required actions. What's the answer? Controlling. Last part of the last function of management. Controlling. Third one is answer. Third one. Right. Look at the question 15. According to the above incident, which marketing mix variable is used by the firm? What's the answer for the question 15? Which marketing mix variable is used by the firm? What's the answer for the question 15? Yes, Tarun correct. Yashadu correct. You need to check the answer again. Which marketing mix variable used by the firm? That's answer. Lamai? Lamai? Here, product. Here, business going to introduce a yogurt with a new packing. Packaging belongs to what? Packaging belongs to product. Okay, product. Product is the answer. Okay, for the 15, third one is answer. Third one. 15, third one. Okay, right. Lamai, look at the question 16. What is the investment opportunity for the individual which can be taken capital gains? What's the answer for the question number 16? To get capital gains, what you can use? 16. Yes, Nadilla correct. Nadilla correct. Let me answer the question of 16. What's the answer? Huh? To get capital gains, where you can invest your money. What's the answer? Like, what do you make capital gains? What do you make capital gains on? Capital gains means what? Here, they say, if you purchase a land, let's say you purchase a land, value of the land, 10 million. 10 million value of the land. Later, you sell this land at 14 million. 14 million. The profit is how much? Profit is 4 million. Profit is 4 million. Profit is 4 million. Now, this is called capital gain. Capital gains. Okay, right. Now, if you can sell the asset at a higher price than the purchase price, then you can get a capital gain. A capital gain. Okay. I mean, in the question 16, for treasury bills, you can't get capital gains. For treasury bill, you can't get capital gains. But savings, yes. For the savings also, we can't get capital gains. For fixed deposit also same. But for the purchasing ordinary shares, yes. If you purchase shares of a company, you can sell shares at a higher price than the purchase price. Then you can get capital gains. Capital gains. Then answer is what? For the 16, answer is 4th. For the 16 insurance, answer is 4th. Okay, answer is 4th. Right. Lamai, look at the next question. Right. Following are some of the transactions occurred in organization. Answer the question 17 and 18 based on that information. Additional capital employed by the owner 500,000. Purchase of goods on cash 20,000. Paid electricity 8,000. Cost of stock for 8,000 and sold 10,000. What is the value of assets at the end of the transaction of A, B, C, D? Right. Tamai, what is the value of assets at the end of the transaction A, B, C, D? Closing value of assets. Right, Lamai, after occurring these transactions. Lamai, what's the answer for the question of 70? Lamai, what's the answer for the question of 17? Value of assets after adjusting these transactions. What's the answer? Lamai, to provide answer for this question, you can prepare an accounting equation. Through an accounting equation, you can get the answer for this question. What's the answer? Yes, I got one of the answer from Gihindu. Gihindu's answer is first one. We will check. Right, we will do the question. Gihindu's answer is first one. Right, we will check the answer. Gihindu. Right, what about others? Nadilya first one. Tarun second one. Yasidu first one. Right? Now, what about others? Right. We'll calculate. Now we'll calculate. All right. Through account and equation, we get the answer for this question. Question 17. Now look at 17. Question 17. Right. First transaction. First transaction. Additional capital introduced by the owner 500,000. By then, if owner introduce additional capital, what will happen? Cash of the business increased by 500,000. Cash of the business increased by 500,000. Equity of the business increased by 500,000. Right. First transaction. Right. Second one. Purchase of goods on cash 20,000. If the business purchase goods on cash basis, cash decreased by 20,000, stock increased by 20,000. Cash decreased by 20,000, stock increased by 20,000. Right. C. Paid electricity bill 8,000. Paid electricity bill. Why? If you pay electricity bill of 8,000, cash decreased by 8,000, equity decreased by 8,000. Cash decreased by 8,000, equity decreased by 8,000. Right. Now D. D. Cost of stocks for 8,000. Cost of stock of 8,000 sold for 10,000. Right. We'll consider it as sold on cash basis, cash or credit card, whatever. Right. Here, stock 8,000. Stock decreased by 8,000. Let's say cash received by 10,000. Received cash 10,000. Profit goes to owner. Profit plus equity 2,000. Right. Then insurance. End of the day. End of the day. Right. Right. Closing asset how much? Closing asset. Right now closing asset 10,000, right? Here plus 2,000 minus 6,000, 494,000. Right. Closing value of assets 494,000. Now for the question 17, answer is first one. For the 17, answer is first one. 494,000. 494,000. For the question 17, answer is first one. 494,000. Okay, right. Now second one. Transaction which calls for the change in equity is. What are the transaction impact to equity? Transaction A, transaction C, and transaction D. A, C, D. What's the answer? For the question 18, what's the answer? A, C, D. Second one is answer. Second one. For the question 18, second one is answer. Second one. A, C, D. Okay. For the question 18, answer is second one. A, C, D. A, C, D is answer. Okay, Lamai? Okay, that is the answer. Right. 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 There, right. Right. Lamai, look at the question number 19. Question 19. Today, right. Without getting a break, we continue the class today, ne? Right, okay. No break today, right? No problem. You at home, ne? Yes, no break, ne? Right. Lamai, what's the answer for the question 19? What's the answer for the 19? As a result of purchase of machine 2 million, as a result of purchasing machine 2 million, right? What's the answer? I think I got the correct answer for Nadilia. Right? What about others? When you purchase machine which worth of 2 million, what will happen? Huh? Yes, Tarun correct, Nadila correct. My answer is spot on. Increase asset, decrease asset. Increase asset by 4 million, 2 million, and decrease cash by 4 million. Increase machines 2 million, decrease cash 2 million. Increase asset, decrease asset. Right, correct. Right. Now my last question of the day. Last question of the day. Right, Lamai? Question number 20. What's the answer for the question number 20? Following X and Y columns represent different type of accounts and some examples. After matching type of accounts in column X and Y respectively, it will give the answer. What's the answer for the question 20? What's the answer? Right. I got answer Tarun, Nadila and Rasidu. Okay, right? Yes, right, correct. Tarun correct, Nadila, Yasidu correct, Gehenu correct. Yeah, right. Lamai, what's the answer for the question number 20? Yes, second one is answer, second one. Okay, answer for the question 20, second one. Now we answer for the question 20, second one. Right, right. Lamai, enough for the day. Enough for the day. Lamai, please complete. Students, please complete. Balance 20 questions in the first paper. Please complete balance 20 questions in the first paper. Okay, first paper. And then we'll complete balance 20 question next day, and after that we can move into second paper. Second paper means part 2 of the paper, and then okay, complete only balance 20 questions in the first paper. Okay, the second paper question we'll discuss next day. Okay, right. Now enough for the day. We'll meet again next Tuesday. Okay, right. In the grade 10 class, now we are discussing I think last 2 lessons. Okay, if you have time, join to the grade 10 class as well. No need to pay for that. Therefore, if you have time, join to the grade 10 class as well to recap your knowledge. Okay, right. Now enough for the day. We'll meet again next Tuesday. Okay, right. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Right.